How to make money with Temu affiliate program. Hi guys and welcome in this video where I'll talk about Temu affiliate program and how to earn money from it. For people who don't know what Temu affiliate program is, it's a digital marketplace designed to connect sellers and buyers, offering various opportunities for individuals and businesses to earn income. Whether you are looking to sell physical products, digital goods, or services, Temu provides the tools and resources necessary to help you succeed. So to more understand, first step you need to do is open your browser and dive into Temu.com. As you can see, this is the website. Here we have a various products. You can select your favorite products if you want. Then if you want to be an affiliate partner, all you have to do is scroll down at the end and click over here on affiliate and influencer earn commission. This is the home page. You can get started, but before you scroll down to know important information and notes. Here we have over than 3,000 people have joined. Also we have here how to start with Temu affiliate program. This is a necessary note. You can just join, share and earn. Also we have here important information that you should know it, like what is the Temu affiliate program and how does it work. You can just click over here and you get your answer. The Temu affiliate program enables you to generate income by directing potential customers to Temu via unique affiliate links. Also, what is Temu? You can just click over here. Does Temu run any referral or affiliate program? How do I qualify for this program? How do I sign up to the program? How does the Temu affiliate program work? How do I earn in the Temu affiliate program? How long does it take before I can withdraw the commission rewards? Then, if you want to sign up, all you have to do is just to click over here, join now, and write your email or phone number. If you want to sign up with Google or Facebook also, or App Store or other options, after your inscription, if people come to your link and they click on your link, first of all, you will get commission, whatever they buy, but they will get $100. So it's good for us and beginners that we can tell people you click on my link and you get $100. So that's very helpful to attract people first. Also, you can win a competition, you can get bonuses. So all you have to do, join, share, and earn. So let's know some ways to earn money on Temu. First, we have selling physical products. List and sell items such as handmade, crafts, apparel, electronics, or home goods. Source products from suppliers or create your own to sell. Secondly, we have offering digital products. Sell digital goods like ebooks, software, online courses, or digital art. Digital products have the advantage of no shipping costs and instant delivery. Third one, we have providing services, offer freelance services such as graphic design, writing, consulting, or virtual assistance. Create detailed service lessons with clear pricing and delivery times. We have also affiliate marketing, promote other sellers' products, and earn commissions on sales generated through your referral links, which allows social media blogs or email marketing to reach a broader audience. Finally, we have dropshipping. Set up a dropshipping businesses where you sell products without holding inventory. When you make a sale, the supplier ships the product directly to the customer, allowing you to focus on marketing and sales. Let's give you some examples for each way to earn money on Temu. First one, we have selling physical products. The example is jewelry, as you can see here. Jewelry, first we have product, handcraft bracelets and necklace and earring. For description, we have detailed descriptions highlighting materials, craftsmanship, and unique design. For image, we have high quality photos showing different angles and models wearing the jewelry. For pricing, we have competitive pricing based on material cost, time invested, and market demand. Second one, we have offering digital products. Example is online courses, as you can see. For product, we have courses on graphic design, coding, or personal development. For description, we have course syllabus, learning, objectives, and benefits for students. For delivery, we have digital downloads or access through a learning management system. For pricing, we have one-time free or subscriptions-based access to course materials. Third one, we have providing services. We have freelance writing as an example. For service, we have content writing for blogs, websites, and marketing materials. For description, we have clear explanation of services, including topics covered, word count, and turnaround time. For pricing, we have per word or per project basis with options for bulk orders or long-term contracts. The fourth one, we have affiliate marketing. Teach gadgets as an example. We have first product promote smartphones, laptops, or accessories from other sellers. For method, we have share affiliate links on a teach blog, YouTube channel, or social media. For commission, we have earn a percentage of sales made through your referral links. For content, we have write reviews, unboxing, or how to guides to attract potential buyers. We have finally drop shipping. We have home decor as an example, as you can see here. For products, we have trendy home decor items like wall arts, rugs, or lighting. Supplier, we have partner with suppliers who handle inventory and shipping. Storefront, we have create a branded online store showcasing the products. For marketing, we have use social media ads, influencer partnerships, and SEO to drive traffic to your store. For customer service, we have handle customers inquiries and manage orders while suppliers fulfill them. So Temu is helpful and useful to earn money with it. First, by showing products on video or using social media like Instagram, Pinterest, by taking pictures and ChatGPT for details. As a conclusion, we can just say making money on Temu is a valuable opportunity for anyone willing to invest time and effort into their online businesses. By following these steps and leveraging Temu's features, you can build a successful venture whether you are selling products, services, or promoting affiliate offers. Temu provides the tools and support needed to turn your entrepreneurial aspiration into reality. So this is for this video guys, and I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.